Well, if I'm getting completely satisfied by my partner, it's definitely my responsibility to satisfy her as well. I mean, that's basic. She kept telling it's okay, it's alright. And I know I wasn't that bad either, but I wanted to last more for her. Pleaser is just magic, man. It is so good. I think I came across Pleaser by Kindly Health on social media and I ordered it. फिर क्या? अगले दिन आ गया. And look how easy it is to carry it around. First use का experience. यूं भी पाजी का 6 बॉल पे 6 छक्के याद है? So my girlfriend and I are always trying to spice things up and try out new things. And trust me, this was the best decision we made. बहुत easy to use है. Just rip it, wipe and go. लगाने के बाद 2 मिनट वेट कर लो बस. Completely body safe है. मतलब नॉन ट्रांसफरेबल है और आपके पार्टनर को कुछ नहीं होगा. Get Pleaser and come to the other side, guys. And trust me, this is the winning side.